Hi guys! Papakita ko sa inyo, marunong si Cupcake mag-wait. Lalo na pag favorite food niya, ang Beef Bites by Purples. Ang dilim anak. They can't see you. Dun ikaw dun. Tingnan nyo guys ha. Yan si Cupcake. Yan si Cupcake. Say hi! Favorite niya to. Nag-wait si Cupcake. Stand up lang. Stand up. Show them. Stand up. Stand up. Tingnan nyo guys. Marunong siya mag-wait. Show them muna. Mag-wait muna. Wait. Favorite niya to guys. Hindi siya makapaghintay pag ito. Wait muna. How to wait? Wait. Wait muna. Wait. Wait. Diba? Nag-wait si Cupcake. Wait yan. Very good yan. Wait. Good girl. Good girl. Nag-wait. Diba? Galing ng Cupcake namin. Tapos, kapamoy niya tatayo yan. Mag-wait ulit. Mag-wait. Paano mag-wait? Wait muna. Wait muna. Show mommy how to wait. Show mommy how to wait. Mag-wait muna. Ayaw niya. Kasi na-excite siya sa amoy. Wait muna. Wait. Wait up. Wait up. Wait up. Wait. Paano mag-wait muna? Wait muna lang ga. Wait. Wait muna. Wait. Sit down. Wait. Good girl. Good girl for waiting. Kasi, good girl yan Kaya may treat. Good job. Good job. Diba? Wait lang. Wait lang. Wait lang. Tingnan natin kung kakainin niya to pag ilagay ko sa harap niya. Wait lang. Wait. Wait muna, wait. Wait. One more. Ito siya guys. Wait lang. Don't eat. Wait lang. Diyan lang ikaw. Gaga ka. Hindi ka nag-wait. Next. Last na. Wait muna. Last treat na. Dali kay very good si Cupcake Wait muna. Wait lang. Nahanap niya. Wait lang kay. Wait lang. This is favorite treat ni Cupcake. Beef Bites. Ba? You love this, di ba langga, no? Wait natin. Yan, dahil nag-wait siya. Ito na yung treat niya. Good job. Good job. Say bye-bye na. Bye.